Hi everyone, welcome to Publitips, where we'll highlight one feature in just 1 minute. So for today we have dynamic content. This is for everyone that spends hours or days in actually creating publications and hotspots. See here, you can pull in all of this information dynamically. Product image, title, price, sales price, everything is being pulled in directly from your product feed. So once you create a hotspot, you don't have to worry about it. It updates automatically. When it comes to designing the actual or having a look at the look and feel, you do have some options when it comes to actually creating themes within our style editor. You can play around with the layout here. You can select which product image will be displayed and have a look at what you want to include, the title, effective price, original price, and such. All of these options are available with dynamic content. Here we have another option. And that's it. You create the hotspot and you don't have to worry about it. The price would be updated automatically. Thank you so much for listening today. If you have any questions or you would like to test dynamic content, please let our team know. Thank you.